Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Sma. My name is Sma. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. And if you are new to the channel, please don't leave without subscribing. We would appreciate the support. We're back with another video, and it's a 3-bean salad. It's very quick. There's not much work to do here, and I'm just going to do a quick run through of the ingredients. I have in here in my pot already, I have some green beans, and I've just cut them into bite-sized pieces, and there's 1 small onion in there sliced, and 2 small cloves of garlic. Guys, if you know, you know, I cook everything with garlic. I have butter beans, and I have baked beans. I have cucumbers just cut into pieces. I have Worcestershire sauce, tomato sauce, and sweet chili sauce. Now, when it comes to this salad, I don't really have the exact measurements of the ingredients that I use. I just go by taste, but I'll leave a rough estimate of the measurements that I've used so that you can just use it as a guide. I'm just going to quickly go to the stove. We're going to cook the green beans for a few minutes just to get them a little tender, and we'll come back and assemble the whole thing. Okay, so the beans are already on the stove. I've added about, I think, less than a half cup of water, and I've also, one thing that I forgot to mention, I've added a cube of beef stock. Rapea everything got beef stock, guys. The chicken got beef stock. So yeah, I'm just going to let this simmer, and then once the water is all gone, we're going to fry them just a tad bit. So we're just going to put in a bit of oil, fry them, and then we'll be ready to assemble. Okay, so the green beans are done, and I'm just going to start assembling. Just going to put them in a salad bowl and add the butter beans, baked beans, the sweet chili, Worcestershire, and the tomato sauce. So like I said, guys, I just go by taste when it comes to the salad, so you might want to do the same. Mix everything up and taste. If you feel like you need a bit more of something, you can add it. And then I'm going to put in the cucumber. It's going to add some nice freshness and more crunch. And that's pretty much it. You're done. You don't have to spend the whole day in the kitchen making this. Try it out. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And until the next video, thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Keep well.